Okay, let's kick off with this one then. So, chickpeas. I'm using a can of chickpeas. If you're going to use from a can like me, wash them nicely in some cold water. Sliced onions, quite a lot I'm putting in here. A little bit of green pepper or bell pepper. Same tomato, chopped up nicely. Fresh dill, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper. Let's go. Mixing bowl, chickpeas are in. Let's just get that little bit of tomato in there and the bell pepper. And probably double, maybe even a little bit more of the onion. The fresh dill, beautiful in there that is. Lemon juice, about the same of olive oil. A little bit of salt, some black pepper, and simply we're going to give that a little mix. And this is done. Really beautiful. That will actually taste better tomorrow. Okay, so in this one, what we're going to do is a rice salad here. So I've got some cooked white basmati rice. I've got red kidney beans. And again, I'm using from a can. If you're using from a can, give them a nice wash in some cold water. I'm using white onion cut small, tiny amount, maybe just like one decent sized clove of garlic there. Fresh chili. Now this is not super hot. It looks like, you know, dangerous, but it's not. You can kind of eat it quite nicely. Got a little kick, but not crazy like the little small ones. Half a teaspoon oregano, half a teaspoon chili powder or paprika if you wanted. I want to get the little kick there. And half a teaspoon of cumin. Fresh cilantro, coriander, little bell pepper there. I'm using green only. We're going to get that together. Salt, pepper, little bit of olive oil. Done. Okay, mixing bowl. Got my rice in there. Let's get our beans in next. Kidney beans. That little bit of chili there. Like I say, not crazy hot. The bell pepper. Little bit of garlic. Really, you don't want too much in this, I don't think. I'm going to get the onion in, using white. The white onion's a little bit more mild than the red, which I usually use. And then the chili powder, oregano and cumin. Just small amounts, half a teaspoon. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Black pepper. Some salt. Just grab my olive oil. Bit of olive oil just to bring it together there. We're going to give this one a mix. And this is done. And there we go. Rice, red beans, salad, a few nice bits in there. Very easy. Okay, let's get on with this one. I actually really love this one. So I've got some black beans there. I'm using them from a can. If they're using from a can, always wash them well in some nice cold water, you know. Celery, cut nice and small. Rocket salad, or arugula as you call that, nice peppery flavour. Ginger, quite a lot of ginger, fresh ginger chopped. And then I've got lime juice and I've got the zest or the skin off of the limes. Very simple, mix that together. Okay, mixing bowl, beans are in. Let's drop in that ginger. There's quite a lot of ginger here. It's the big flavour in this one, obviously. Celery, cut nice and small. Nice little crunch on there. Then we're going to go in with the zest of the limes. That was 2 limes, and there's the juice of those limes. Salt, black pepper, and then we're going to pop in our rocket salad or arugula, whatever you call that. Little mix, and we're done. Beautiful, really beautiful this one is. Okay, and there you go. Like I say, I really, really love that one. You've got to like ginger to like this one, but it's beautiful. Peppery, gingery, just lovely. I love it. Nice tang of the lime. So this is super easy, this one. So we've got some white beans or cannellini beans. Again, if you're using from a can, Wash them really nicely in cold water. Bell peppers, got some lovely different colors in there. Chopped really small, quite a lot of them. Sliced onion, vinegar, I'll talk to you about that in a second, and fresh parsley. We're also going to add some salt, pepper, and olive oil. Now, the vinegar I'm using today is actually a date vinegar, which is fantastic. Never seen that before, actually, but it's my new favorite thing. But you can use any type of vinegar that you want. If you wanted, you could use lemon juice. Simply mix it together. Okay, mixing bowl. The beans are in. There goes the bell peppers, quite a lot of them. Like I say, cut nice and small. A little bit of sliced onion in there, just for a little bit of a kick. We're going to go in with that fresh mint, which is a really big flavour in this one. There goes that vinegar. Like I say, it's a date vinegar. Delicious. We're then going to go black pepper. Salt. Olive oil, nice quality olive oil. About the same as the vinegar. Little mix. Bing, bang, bong, we're done. All right, there you go, done. Beautiful, nice and easy, fresh, clean. Let's move on. Okay, let's get on with this one. So in Ethiopia, this is known as AZIFA. We're going to make a very similar type thing here. So what we've got here is some brown lentils cooked nice and soft, onion cut really small, garlic, it's about a tablespoon there, lemon juice. We're going to be adding some salt and olive oil as well, chopped chili, quite a lot. You might want to reduce the amount, but yeah, a lot of chili in that. And then in Ethiopia, they use something called sanafich, which is their word for mustard. The nearest thing you're going to get to that is English mustard. English mustard is really, really similar to it and got a really nice kind of strong flavour. Very simply, mix it up. All right, so I've got my mixing bowl there with my lentils in. And by the way, the word for those in Amharic, which is the national language of Ethiopia, is misir. Misir is lentils. We're going to add some salt, or chow in Amharic, lemon juice, or lomi, olive oil. The word for oil is zait. We're going to go in with those chilies, lots of them, or karia. And then we're going to add our onion, which again in Amharic is shinkut. And then garlic is white onion, so nech shinkut in that goes. And then we're going to add our mustard. Like I say, English mustard is the nearest thing you're going to get outside of actually getting Ethiopian sanafich. Very, very strong. All we're going to do now is give this a mix. And by the way, you can really sort of play around with this if you want. You can add more onion, more mustard, you know, probably less chili because it has got quite a lot of chili in. Although I've seen this made in Ethiopia with loads more chili than this. Right, little mix and we're done. And there you go, simple as can be. I mean, it's got a real kick to it. The mustard is really strong, obviously, and then the chili, woo, but beautiful. Okay, next one here. So, Lima beans, really tasty they are. Flat leaf parsley chopped, cucumber, tomato, chopped garlic, some walnuts, balsamic vinegar. We're going to add some olive oil and salt and pepper. Really lovely this one is. Okay, beans are in. Let's get our parsley in there. Flat leaf, chopped nicely. Tomatoes, again cut small. Some walnuts that I've just roughly broken in there. Cucumber, again cut about the same size as the tomato. Some garlic, I'm not going to put all that in. Maybe that amount. Then we're going to go balsamic vinegar. A nice vinegar, a little bit kind of sweet. Some olive oil. We're going to go salt. We're going to go black pepper. We're going to give this a mix. And there you go, we've got ourselves another really beautiful little salad. Beautiful, lovely and refreshing. Okay, so this is my last one, 7 of 7. So quite a lot going on in this one. Aduki beans or mung beans, it's up to you. Cook them and then take a long time to cook these guys. They're like little stones, but yeah, they're cooked a nice bit mushy really. Tahina or tahini, whatever you call that, or sesame seed paste. Grated carrot, parsley, flat leaf parsley chopped. Tomato, bell peppers, onion, cucumber, cumin powder, garlic, black olives. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. This truly is wonderful. So nice and easy. There's the mung beans in there. We're going to add the cucumber, the black olives, taking the stones out of them and give them a little chop, the grated carrot, the onion. Everything's nice and small, you know. The tomato, the parsley, the bell peppers, the chopped garlic. Then we're going to go with some cumin powder, a nice couple of pinches in there. Little bit of olive oil, black pepper, some salt, we're going to add in our tahina or tahini, or however you call that. We're going to go for a little mix and then we are done. Beautiful. And that's it. I'll probably say that's my favorite. I really, really love that one. Just tasted it, delicious. That's it then. 7 salads or 7 bean salads or 7 vegan salads. Fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Salad love.